welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode I'm going to be doing something a little different. What I'm going to be making is Mountain Dew infused pickles. Now I looked at some other recipes, and what I noticed, that always had a whole lot left over, so I did a little math and broke it down and kind of squatted down here under the counter so you can see it, but I'm going to try to do this real quick. And so let's just get to it. What you want to do, this is a 24-ounce jar of dill pickles. You're going to want to do a half a cup of the juice. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Okay, a little bit more. As you can see, already I'm making a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of pour this extra juice in here. And then what you want is a cup of Mountain Dew. Good old Mountain Dew. Might have to take a little drink of this first. So we got a half a cup in there right now. So we're going to bring it up to a cup and a half. Actually almost perfect. Okay, there's a cup and a half, which actually is only a cup of Mountain Dew. Got a half a cup of the pickle juice, and let's see, I'll put this over here. And now this is a quarter cup of just regular white sugar. Gonna pour that in. Well, look at it foam up. And we're gonna whisk it up. Try to get that sugar to dissolve. And if I did my calculations right, I should end up with about a quart of this juice left over. But we're going to go ahead and pour it in. And all you do is you just put it back into the jar. And of course, I guess I got to get rid of all the foam. I had to let the foam go down a little bit, and then I made sure the sugar was good and dissolved. But I poured a little bit out. But look, it's almost exact. There should have been about a quarter cup left, but I noticed a little bit of the sugar wasn't dissolved, so I stirred it. But then just put on the cap, give it a little shake. Put it in the refrigerator, they say about a week, and we're going to do that. I'm going to put it in there for a week, and when I come back, we'll see how it goes. But hey, I'll be back in a week, so hopefully it all comes out good. Alright, we're back. I started this video on the 10th. This is the 24th today, so it's actually been in the refrigerator 2 weeks. Go get my daughter. It's my daughter Sarah. She's going to be the guinea pig. And there you go.
Awesome. Well, I love Mountain Dew and I love pickles, so I'm hoping for a delicious duo here.
What does it taste like?
Sweet pickles.
It tastes like sweet pickles?
Mm-hmm. Like a butter pickle, but better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Dill
They're
pickle
really
turned
good.
into a... That is pretty good.
Makes them sweet.
Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Got Pinion and my daughter talking with a mouthful. I'll put the ingredients in the description. Please, if you like this video, please share it. And hit that subscribe button for more random How You Can Do It Too videos. And have a good day.